Hello guys, how are you? Welcome to channel Gadget Pro. Gamer, this might be the next big thing. The Lenovo Legion Go S is here. An ultra powerful gaming handhelds that pushing the boundaries of portable gaming. Is it better than the Steam Deck and ROG Ally? Let's break it down. So let's go. The Legion Go S is the lighter silker version of the original Legion Go. It's got an 8-inch display with the vibrant refresh rate VRR, meaning the buttery smooth gameplay. Holific joysticks say goodbye to the drift issues, and the customizable trigger switch is perfect for the instant FPS moments. Powering this base is the AMD Ryzen Z1 Extreme chip, the same one you will find in the high-end gaming handheld. It runs Windows and SteamOS. You are not stuck with this one ecosystem. Want to play AA games on ultra setting? No problem. Battery life decent with 65 watt capacity. But let's be real, you will probably be plugged in during long seasons. One of the coolest features, the data cable controls, like a Switch build for serious gaming. The touchpad and mouse mode making navigating Windows wiser. And the kickstand lets you set it up anywhere. Plus the USB and microSD expansion menu, you never run out of storage. So is the Lenovo Legion Go S worth it? If you want more power, better controls and flexibility over a Steam Deck or Asus ROG Ally, this might be your best bet. But if you are looking for all-day battery life, you might want to think twice. What do you think? Drop a comment below. Thanks for watching our video. Don't forget to like, and if you want to more gadget reviews and update, to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more honest gadget videos.